Hello everyone, I'm Paul Gonzalez with Expedition Trailers, and today we're going to actually jump in and show you the Offtrax Feenix. One thing that we try to pride ourselves in is the actual attention to detail. All right, some manufacturers buy a lot of stuff off the shelf. In this case, everything is built in-house, in the shop, from the compression bars to the hinges to the tread plate patterns. You know, even the smallest of details can go a long way in trying to expose or show you the overall quality of the trailer. When you're looking and shopping for a trailer, you want to make sure you're trying to compare differences between one and another, right? So the more that we're able to educate you or educate the consumer, I think that they'll have a better understanding of it and feel better about the purchase, right? So we take a lot of pride in what we do. It takes a long time to build this trailer, and there's a lot of attention to detail, so this will take a little bit, so follow through. So here we start off, and you'll see that a lot of the other trailer companies, thankfully, have started applying the same type of equipment. Here we start off with a DO35 Cruise Master, full articulating hitch with the handbrake. All right, here you'll see the 4-inch hot dip galvanized chassis. Here we have a 7-way connector. We have our brake away disconnects. Here on the front of the trailer, you'll find that this is our nose cone, right? This is where we would actually house our foldable solar panels. Full automotive seals. Again, all in-house 304 stainless hinges. All of our hinges will come, and we actually put a rubber washer inside on inside and out to help dampen any of the vibrations. Again, attention to detail, right? Seamless. Here you'll find the reverse compartment, and in here we'll have our National Luna, which we feel is probably hands down the best refrigerator in the market today. This is a 60-liter dual zone fridge freezer, so you're actually able to convert it. You do full fridge, full freezer, or fridge and freezer, right? For those that are starting off and you wanted to try to figure out the best combination, I think the best one is having one on the rig and one on the trailer. That way you can actually be able to do a longer trip comfortably, where this one will actually become your meat locker if you want, right? You make this a freezer and keep all your meats inside, and the one in the car can keep your veggies and your drinks. Here we'll just jump right in. We're going to do powered by Red Arc. Hands down, top of the line. Nothing better for power management. Here's our first slide. Here, it's all made out of 5005 aluminum as well. Again, following through with all the rest of the stuff, you'll see here all of our bolts, everything has a nylon lock, 304 stainless, all aluminum. This is where all the magic happens in the kitchen. Full slide out. This one is outfitted with the bromic stove, dual burners with the broiler, and here we have our sink, hot and cold water to the tap. And then we have an additional slide out here, which will house the actual Weber grill that would be in here. So you're actually able to do the barbecuing, and you also do some grilling on there as well. And then we'll jump right in. Here you'll see the pantry. Here, again, right, you want to carry over all the stuff as far as durability and detail, right? You want to make sure that when you're looking for a box, that it's all aluminum, one is this thing honestly will outlive us all. Plenty of storage space. This will be your pantry. This could be your spice rack. One of the key components in there, of course, you can fill it with as you want for the show. We keep all the goodies here for that. Again, we're reaching out to the compression bars. This, 304 stainless. Even the hinges, the original owner of the company and the designer of all this stuff, Steven from Australia, he is our key partner in all of this, of course, and he's very much involved in everything that we do here stateside and the fabrication that we do here. And he came up with this nifty idea and designed this beautiful lifting bracket for the awning. And now you're able to get a 7-foot interior height. carrying or accommodating just about any awning you'd like. Following all the way around, we'll come in here, and this is where we get to carry all the toys, right? In here, you're gonna have a full slide, enormous, simply enormous cargo space. You can leave it out. It's got dividers as well, so you can, you know, compartmentalize this as you see fit. Again, we have another one. Ton of cargo space, as you can see. Again, you could also separate and compartmentalize that as well to your liking or your needs. Inside here, if we can get a shot of that, you can go inside and take a peek. There's two 17-gallon tanks. Total of 34 gallons onboard water. And then on the bottom side, a little harder to look at, but you'll see it. It's got, this one's outfitted with 270 amp hours of lithium batteries. And you can find that right down there. Jumping right over, we have our full tire swing. Again, all this is fabricated locally as well. Full tire swing. We also have our ports in here, which will have, you know, 12 volt and USBs, right? So that's very convenient to have across all side. Swing around here. And if you couldn't believe it, more space, more storage. You can carry anything, right? You can carry your water purification system. You can carry a little ALP generator, bedding, combination of things. In this compartment, you'll see the instant water heater. Again, more storage. Many use that to carry the porta potty. All right, we can carry that in there. Additional bedding and just about anything. So here we have our hot and cold water quick disconnects. Here you're able to do quickly connect right to the hot water heater and to your shower hose. Right, and that's where it all stem from. So you have your cold and then you have two hots. Right. Little dust collectors. These are your bayonets that are for quick disconnects for your LP gas. These are the two main connectors. And here, huge capacity. We like this idea better because we're able to keep the tanks protected, right? Here we got some beer, but that's where your propane tanks will go. Getting into details, all right, going back into attention to details, one of the main components is, you know, not only because it's has no wood or other synthetic materials or anything in there, but you're going to find that all of the fasteners, all of the bolts, all of the adhesives that are used is essentially they're the very best that you're able to buy. Not all trailers are going to go through the time and trouble of spending all that money and trying to determine how, you know, because it's like anything else, how much money do you want to throw at it, right? So here we don't think that way. Here we just, let's put the very best in it so that we can build the very best trailer we can for the consumer. The idea is that if we overbuild it, there's a high probability you won't call me back for troubles, right? So that's what we kind of look at. You know, we want to make sure that this, we know for a fact that these trailers are going to live, they're going to outlive us all. That's a reality. And with very little maintenance and a little TLC, this will follow and travel along with you for as long as you want. Be sure to follow the number on the screen. It's 573-743-3333, or you can reach us here at expeditiontrailers.com.